So I'm at this estate sale, and look how many cars is out here. It's crazy. I got another call. The next call.
Hey, you're after all the vintage spray paint cans too? Oh man, I knew it. I saw it the moment I walked in. Oh yeah, it's all like that.
Yeah, it looks like it's made out of wood.
More books. Crazy sale, isn't it? A lot of stuff.
Woo! It's been, we've been here almost a month and it's still not all price. You know, it just is what it is, as they say. Yeah, you know, you get to that point, it's kind of like, you know, almost like take it, but you can't because of the. We're trying to be patient, but, you know, we have one person checking out, so.
All right, I'm back home. Estate sales are kind of tricky because right now it's winter slash spring. There's not a lot of garage sales going on. So every time there's an estate sale, it's packed. It's like everybody that goes to these garage sales every week, they not there. So guess what? Everybody's at the one or two estate sales every week. And it's usually crowded. And as you can see, this one's crowded. And a lot of times I just turn around and go home, right? But I had time today. So I decided to stay and walk through there. And I only got some hats because there was all kinds of stuff in there. I'm not going to carry it around. Like, I need to be more patient, right? I should have sat there and looked some stuff up and things like that, but I just went with what I knew, and that's hats. And I really don't know that for real like that, but I went with some hats that I thought were okay. And these hats was $4 a piece, so I couldn't just pick up anything. If they won $2, I pick them up and figure out at home. I know they're at least worth more than $2, especially if they vintage. And a lot of these were vintage. So let's just go through some of the hats that I got, and y'all can tell me if I did good or not. Or if I find them on eBay, I'll put the comp up there and let you know what they were. All right. So first, I got this Notre Dame hat right here. This is the Logo Authentics. So I knew this one had to be worth a little money. I'll put that on the screen because I haven't looked it up yet, if I find it. I got this Bengals hat. And, of course, Cincinnati did okay this year, not like last year. Focus. There we go. And this one's just, I don't know. It didn't have no tag in there. The tag is tore out. I got this NHL hat. There we go. And this one's made by NHL. I got this 1997 World Series hat. It's pretty nice. And like I said, a lot of these is worth cost $4 a piece. So, when you paying $4 a piece, you got to kind of be like on your P's and Q's because a lot of these shirts, and this is made by the game. A lot of these hats sometimes don't be worth that. You know what I'm saying? So, and I got this one, Indiana Hoosiers joint. That's a nice one. If I was an Indiana Hoosiers fan. I also got a couple of military hats. Military hats is this boy right here. And military hats is kind of tricky. There's all different types of squadrons or whatever you call them. So it just need to go to the right buyer. I got this one. U.S. Arizona. 1941. This is a nice one. And all these is in great condition. It's a Nissan hat. And I got this one. Korea veteran. And like I said, I paid $4 a piece for these hats. I didn't get anything else. Let me know if y'all see anything else in there that I passed up. I like to do these videos and just walk through. And if you see stuff that, oh, you should have got that. Oh, you should have got that. It's worth that. I sold it before on eBay. Let me know. And I think that actually helps out people who's watching the video and just people in general. Like me, I go and I watch YouTube videos just to see what people got and see what things are worth. That way, when I go back out and I see it, I can pick it up too. So I ain't no hate my game. I love when people tell me that I missed out on this and missed out on that. A lot of people take that as, I don't know, hate for some reason, but I take it as you trying to educate me and get me going the way I need to go. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the same predicament as everybody else. I just make YouTube videos about it. You understand? So anyway, got me more hats to add on to all the hats that I already got. But the good thing about vintage hats, they do pretty good. Sometimes they sit, but I don't mind that because they're small and you can put a lot of them in one area. You understand what I'm saying? You're not taking up a lot of space in your house. I love them. I like looking at them. I don't wear hats at all, but I don't know. It's just a certain thing that I like to get. When I know estate sale has a lot of hats, I'm always happy when I go there because I always find something different. Anyway, short video. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.